Hi, I'm Dr. Brett Langston. I'm a prosthodontist and the owner here at Dental Implant Aesthetic Specialists in Brookhaven, Georgia. I'm here to help you watch your mouth.
Down in Brookhaven with a smile shining bright, Dr. Brett Langston's working late into the night. With hands steady and a gaze so keen, he's the best on prosthodontist you've ever seen.
Today we're going to talk about full mouth reconstruction. And I know that's a big term and it's kind of scary and overwhelming, but it's something that we do a lot, and it's something that's absolutely important when their teeth have reached the point where they've worn and eroded and been broken down to where we can't just address one or two teeth. We have to look at the mouth as a whole and kind of come up with a game plan to get you back to health. The first model I want to show you is a patient that came to me. I was late 20s, had a lot of extensive wear. When we talk about models in dentistry, everything we do in our practice starts with a game plan. We have to have good diagnostic models so I can sit down with my lab technicians and really craft out a treatment plan and have a set roadmap to follow so we can take you from where you are now to where we want you to be at the end of the process. So this patient had a lot of extensive wear and there was not a lot of room to do any work. And if you look closely at the chewing surface, a lot of his back teeth are extremely worn and there's not a lot of room on the front teeth. So when looking at these bottom teeth, you can see the back teeth, the teeth are really worn flat. Instead of having cusps and grooves, everything is really flat and worn down to a flat plane. Now the problem with this is not only is that damaging tooth structure, but as you get closer and closer wearing that tooth down flat, you're getting closer and closer to the nerves. Now luckily in this situation, the damage hadn't gotten to the point of needing root canals or extractions. I felt that there was enough healthy tooth structure on both the top teeth and the bottom teeth to be able to restore his mouth. And if you look at the way the bite is, he has ground everything down so much. There's no room to restore these bottom teeth or these top front teeth to their regular size and proper height. So in a situation like this, we do what's called a full mouth reconstruction. And the way we usually do it is we have to take these models and rebuild the teeth to an ideal level and ideal proportions and shapes and sizes. The way this process works is I always start with the back teeth because it's important that we have to build a foundation. And what I mean by that is we have to have the back teeth strong and stable and supported enough to have space to restore the front teeth. So situations like these always start by replacing the missing tooth structure with crowns on these back teeth. And so you can see in this picture, this is the patient's frontal view, the amount of wear and closed bite, there's no room for anything. So if you envision trying to make those teeth taller and more natural size, there's no room for them to be put in place without opening the bite up a little bit. And so that first step that we do is open the bite by putting crowns on back teeth. And when I say open the bite, I mean we make the teeth taller. So we go in, we do crowns on all these back teeth, and at that point the patient has an open bite where all their teeth on the back are touching, but their mouth is a little bit more open than it was when they started. And that gives me the space to come in and do what I call the fun stuff, which is put the crowns on the front teeth. So what I want you to do is look at this picture, and you can see the difference from where he started and where he is now. He's got a nice, beautiful smile, and all the teeth are protected. And something like this, it's a long time. We spend a lot of time together. I really enjoy these cases because I get to spend time with my patients. I get to kind of walk them through the process, and the transition from where they were to where they are now is life-changing. So typically these cases take a while on the front end because it's a lot of planning and it's a lot of work with my lab technician to design and sculpt our final mold. But once we get started, generally speaking, it's about 10 to 11 appointments, and it's roughly 6 months to 8 months start to finish. Now, obviously, these can be expensive investments, and so we can space those appointments out, and we always have you in either solid temporaries or the teeth protected with crowns as we go through the process. So the shortest I've ever done a full mouth reconstruction is, believe it or not, in about a week. But that was when I was spoiled. I had my own lab. I was in the military. I just saw that patient all day, every day for 5 days. My lab technician and I made the crowns at night, every night, and we really rock and rolled and moved through the whole case. Typically speaking, in my private practice, the general time frame is about 6 to 8 months. And like I said, there's a lot of ability to play with time between appointments. The majority of reasoning for that time is it takes my lab about a month typically to make each set of crowns, and so each appointment is kind of spaced out in that way. If you're wondering why it takes so long in between appointments, it's because the process of making specifically customized crowns as part of a bigger picture is very intricate work, and it takes a long time to not only get the materials ready and get the models ready, but also the stacking of the porcelain, the customization, and the fine tuning to make sure everything fits together. When you're using a quality lab, it takes more time. In the grand scheme of things, you've gotten to this point because you've ground your teeth and worn them down over a whole lifetime, so it's going to take time to restore them back to where they need to be. Here's another example of a full mouth reconstruction that we did that involved replacing missing teeth in addition to restoring and protecting the broken down teeth that were there. So if you look at this image, this patient was missing multiple teeth and had lots of wear. So for this patient, we followed the same process. So we took diagnostic models so we can make casts of their actual teeth, and that process is very minimally involved. It involves taking impressions of the top and bottom teeth and a bite registration and multiple pictures so we can record exactly how your teeth are now at the starting point. The next step is to sit down with my lab technician and build your final bite, and that involves more than just adding to the teeth. We have to build them out to make sure that they correlate to each other really well, and aesthetics, and make sure they function as a group in addition to looking really nice. So in this situation, we started with this, and you can see our end result is this. The end result is something that we were very happy with because we were able to provide him with protection and a nice aesthetic smile. Each full mouth rehabilitation basically follows the same pattern and timeline, but each case is different. But one of the common themes that you have going throughout is at some point you're going to be in a situation where we've restored and protected all your back teeth and we haven't touched your front teeth yet. That's a great point illustrated in this picture right here. So this patient was a full mouth reconstruction, and you can see all the back teeth have their beautiful crowns. Everything is great. The bite is nice and balanced, but yet their front teeth aren't touching. And while it may look funny now, you need to envision in the final result, he's gonna have beautiful crowns on the top and the bottom to close all those spaces and match in with the aesthetics of those back teeth. Typically in our practice, after that initial diagnostic appointment where we gathered all the information and I sit down and kind of craft out a game plan, our next step is to get you back to the office so you and I can sit down, and I encourage you to bring loved ones or anyone else that has great questions and cares about your dental treatment. Come in, we sit down, and what we'll do is I will actually show you a model of how your teeth are currently. They come together, and this is another case that had a lot of extreme wear, and by that you can see the erosion and the flatten down and the really short teeth and the real kind of unaesthetic appeal of how their teeth came together. And I'll sit down, I'll show you the model, because a lot of times when you see them out of your mouth, you can really appreciate the impact of the damage and the wear and tear that's happened. So we'll have a model of how your teeth currently are, and then we'll also have a model of this is called a diagnostic wax up, which basically is my blueprint and shows exactly where I want to go with your teeth. And this allows me to show you, we can show you the anatomy and the shape and size, and you can see the significant increase in size of these bottom teeth, but also the kind of the detail and anatomy of what we're going to do to those back teeth. So the patient can go from having a worn down dentition to a much cleaner smile and a nicer bite that everything goes together. One of the great things about full mouth reconstruction is that every case is custom to the individual patient. So for this patient, he had not a lot of room and really short teeth, so his final version of teeth were probably a little bit shorter than what other people would want. And that's the great thing about this whole process, is that we take what you come in and what you start with, and my lab technician and I sit down, we design out, we kind of create the ideal smile design that we think is perfect for you. And this next appointment allows us to sit down with you and your loved ones to look at our vision and see where we want to take your smile. While the thought of a full mouth reconstruction can be intimidating, I want you to keep in mind that the alternative of doing nothing and allowing those teeth to continue to wear is going to result in further damage and possibly the loss of those teeth, or at the very least root canals and further work. So the advantage of doing a full mouth reconstruction is we can address your problem, create a solution, and create a finalized smile that's crafted for you, that's designed to protect those teeth for a lifetime. One thing you might be concerned about is, oh my goodness, there is so much change going on. How much pain am I going to be in? And while that's a great concern, it really isn't applicable, because each step of the way we use anesthetic to make sure you're numb and you don't feel a thing. And as we're working, we're really protecting your teeth every step of the way and creating a balanced bite as we go through this process. And a lot of times, patients are actually a lot happier when we're said and done, because the bite is restored back to that natural level. And when your jaw is collapsed and biting in a way it's not supposed to, that's going to create chronic pain and discomfort. And people don't even realize they've been living with this pain and discomfort for so long. So a little bit of short-term discomfort, I think, is well worth it to get back to a nice, stable level. The other primary concern is when you're looking at all this, you're like, oh my goodness, this is going to cost me an arm and a leg. And while that's true, it is an investment. You have to consider the grand scheme of things. Dentistry has become expensive, and unfortunately, if you just address one tooth at a time as things break down, you're going to end up paying a lot more than if you just sit down and address the whole solution and create a long-term definitive answer. If you've been told by someone that you need a full mouth reconstruction, please reach out to our office. I would love to have you come in, do a consultation, kind of explain to you our process, and walk you through what we can do for you. I'm Dr. Brett Langston. I'm here to help you watch your mouth.
Down in Brookhaven, with a smile shining bright, Dr. Brett Langston's working late into the night. With hands steady and a gaze so keen, he's the best on prosthodontist you've ever seen.